Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn Gauss-Jordan method. So this is one of the easier method to find x, y and z. So today let's solve this, and here is the question. Solve the system of equation by Gauss-Jordan method. Here they provided three equations: x plus y plus z is equals to 9, and 2x plus y minus z is equals to 0, and 2x plus 5y plus 7z is equals to 52. So first we have to write these equations in a matrix format. We'll write that. First we'll take first equation. So it will be like x variable का value 1, y variable का value 1 and z variable का value 1. So in second equation, x variable का value 2, y variable का value 1, then z variable का value minus 1. So okay, then third equation, x variable का value 2, y variable का value 5, then z variable का value 7. Okay, this is done. So next we have to write the whatever the variables are there, we have to write that. So here three variables are there, x, y and z. So x, y, z. So next, whatever the values comes after the equal sign, we have to write that, like result ka value type. So first value 9, 0 and 52. So next step is we have to write this matrix in an augmented matrix format. We all know the augmented matrix formula, that is AX is equals to B. Okay. So we'll write this, and this matrix will be written as augmented matrix. It will be like A colon B is equals to, we have to combine this, that's it. 1, 1, 1, then 2, 1 minus 1, 2, 5, 7, this one, and we have to this. AX is equals to B. B ka value 9, 0 and 52. Okay, this is done. So in Gauss-Jordan method, our main goal is we have to make this matrix as identity matrix. We all know identity matrix, like we have to make this matrix as in this format: 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is identity matrix. Okay, so this is done. So we have to make, this is our pivot element, and we have to make this and this as 0. So we have to apply some row operations. R2 tends to R2 minus 2R1, then R3 tends to R3 minus 2R1. So we have to make this and this element as 0. This is our pivot element, right? Okay. It will be like R2, this is a row 1, row 2 and row 3. R2 का value 2, 2 minus 2 into R1, 2 into R1 का value 1. It will be 0. Okay, we have to apply this to all the row elements. So it will be like, after applying this row operations, we will get 1, 1 and 1. First row will be same as it is. We are applying only for row 2 and row 3. So next it will be like 0, minus 1 and minus 3 and minus 18. So next 0, 3, 5 and 34. Okay, so we made this as 0. So next, this is our pivot element. So we have to make this and this as 0. For this, we have some row operations like R3 tends to R3 plus 3R2 and R1 tends to R1 plus R2. See here, like this is our R1, R2 and R3. What's our R3 value? 3 plus 3 into R2. R2 ka value minus 1. 3 minus 3, it will be 0, right? we have to make this and this as 0 because we have to get this identity matrix format. So that's why. And same here, r1 ka value 1, then plus r2 ka value minus 1, 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. Yes. So after applying this row operations, yes, we will get 1, 0 and minus 2, here minus 9, then 0, minus 1 and minus 3, minus 18, and 0, 0, minus 4 and minus 20. Okay, this is done, and we have to make this as 1 because in our identity matrix here this value is 1, right? So we have to make 1. To make 1 here we have some row operations like r3 tends to minus 1 by 4 into r3. Like it will be like minus 1 by 4 into r3 ka value minus 4. It will be 1. So yes, after applying this row operations, we will get 1, 0 and minus 2, then minus 9, then 0, minus 1, minus 3 and minus 18. So okay, then 0, 0, 1 and 5. So we got 1 here. This is done, and this is done. So after this we have to make R1 and R2 as here. This one and this one. Like here it should be 0 and 0, right? So for this we have some row operations like R1 tends to R1 plus 2 R3. Then R2 tends to R2 plus 3 R3. Okay. So after applying that row operations, we will get the matrix as 1, 0, 0, then 1, 0, minus 1, then 0, minus 3, okay, then 0, 0, 1, 5. So we all get the 0, 0, 1 as identity matrix. So we have to make here as 1, like identity matrix, it should be 1, right? So we have to make this as 1. So there will be some row operations formula. R2 tends to minus 1 into R2. Okay. After applying these row operations, our last matrix will be 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Here it's 1, 3 and 5. This is our final matrix. So we'll write this in that augmented matrix format. Okay, it will be like 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Then X, Y, Z, then 1, 3, 5. So in this we got the X, Y, Z value, like X is equals to 1, Y is equals to 3 and Z is equals to 5. 1, Y is equals to 3 and Z is equals to 5. Okay, this is done. Thank you.